Are you prepared for the unexpected? Let's dive in. Welcome to the Prepper's Path, where we equip you with essential survival knowledge for any situation. Today, we're uncovering 4 critical things that could attract dangerous people after everything hits the fan. In this video, we'll explore how smoke, smell, sound, and light can become signals that draw unwanted attention to you. Understanding these factors can be the difference between safety and danger in a survival scenario. 1. Smoke. When you're cooking or heating with wood, be mindful of the smoke you produce. Different materials create different types of smoke. For example, green wood or young saplings produce thick, white smoke that can be seen from great distances. Plastics and rubber, on the other hand, emit dark, toxic smoke that is equally visible. Always opt for dry, seasoned wood to keep a low profile and avoid drawing attention to your location. 2. Smell. Next up is smell. If you're fortunate enough to catch some wild game, you might think about cooking it. However, cooking meat can produce aromas that travel for miles. While smoking meat can enhance its shelf life, it also acts like a dinner bell for nearby threats. Instead of cooking openly, consider methods that reduce odors, such as using an airtight cooking method or smoking meat at a low temperature to minimize scent. 3. Sound. Now, let's discuss sound. Noise discipline is vital in a survival scenario. Every movement, whether it's stepping on a twig or moving equipment, can create noise that may attract unwanted attention. Silence is your ally. If you're carrying a firearm, think carefully before using it. A single gunshot can bring people running. Instead, consider more discreet options for protection. Always strive to maintain a quiet environment to ensure your safety. 4. Light. Finally, we have light discipline. In a world where power outages are common, any light source can become a beacon for danger. It's important to remember that in darkness, your light can be seen from far away. Use minimal lighting and consider using red or low-intensity lights that are less visible from a distance. If you must use light, do so sparingly and shield it to prevent it from escaping into the night. Now you know how to avoid attracting unwanted attention in a survival scenario, and these tips could save your life. But there's more to learn. Up next, we'll explore the top 10 food items that will last a very long time. Stay tuned to ensure your preparedness game is on point.